Okay, students. Now here we are interested in finding out the dimensional formula of this quantity. Okay. Then let us start from the first physical quantity, that is temperature. This is the fundamental one, and its dimension is taken as what? That is temperature for Kelvin K. That is what? K to the power 1. Okay. Then we can write m to the power 0, l to the power 0, t to the power 0, and k to the power. Okay. This is taken as fundamental physical quantity, temperature, and its dimension is given by K. K stands for Kelvin. Okay. Now specific heat. Specific heat is what? It is denoted by S, and we take the formula H equal to ms into theta 2 minus theta 1. H is what? This is heat energy. H stands for heat energy, M for mass, S for this one, specific heat. Here the dimension of this has to be determined, S, and theta is what? That is temperature difference. Temperature difference. Okay. Then S is what? S is equal to heat energy divided by mass divided by temperature difference. Okay, temperature difference. Then heat energy is what? A type of energy. Then its formula will be, dimensional formula will be mass into acceleration into displacement. That is, okay, and dimension of what? Energy. Okay, this is what? Energy, heat energy or simple energy is m to the power mass acceleration force into displacement, force into displacement, that is energy. Now mass, m stands for mass with power 1, temperature difference is temperature. Then this will be taken as what? K. Kelvin to the power 1, there is no power here. Then let us combine this. M is having power 1 and here m is 1, then this will be m1 minus 1. Okay. Now come here L1, L to the power 1, L to the power 1, this will be added. Okay. Then there is no L now. Then come at T, T to the power minus 2, and now K, K will, here power is 1. When it is a denominator, then it will be k to the power minus 1, when it will be written as numerator. Then this is what? M to the power 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay. L to the power 1 plus 1, 2, and T to the power minus 2, k to the power minus 2. Then this is the dimension of what? That is a specific heat. Okay. Specific heat, m to the power 0, l to the power 2, and t to the power minus 2. Okay, k to the power 1. Okay. Now come at, it is, now we have done this thing, specific heat, and now latent heat. What is latent? Dimension of latent heat. Latent heat. Okay. Then we denote it by L. You know the latent heat, when the phase of, when the state of any material changes. It means when it changes from solid to liquid, or liquid to gas, or gas to liquid, liquid to solid, then a hidden energy is used that is known as latent heat, है ना? Then what we take? We take H equal to m into L. Here H is heat energy. H stands for heat energy, m for mass, and L for latent heat, which we have to find out L. Then L, dimension of L will be what? That will be heat energy. Heat energy divided by mass. Okay. Then we have already done heat energy was what? That is energy, mass into acceleration into displacement. Okay. That is energy, mass into acceleration, force into displacement, energy. And this is now mass. Mass stands for m to the power 1. Now let us write down, combine it, m to the power 1 and here m to the power 1, that will be with minus 1, ऊपर जाएगा तो minus 1 हो जाएगा. Now come here, L to the power 1 and here again L to the power 1, that is 1 plus 1. Okay, and here now T to the power minus 2. Okay, then this finally becomes m to the power 1 minus 1, that is 0, m to the power 0, L to the power 2 and T to the power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of what? That is latent heat. Okay, okay. Now come at coefficient of thermal expansion. Coefficient of thermal expansion. What is the dimension of coefficient of thermal expansion? Coefficient of thermal expansion. So what? Where it is used? Suppose there is a metallic rod, ये इतना मान लीजिए लंबा है, ठीक है. Let us say the its length is L0. When we heat it up, इसको जब गर्म करते हैं, then it expands. Suppose its size is now this one, linearly इतना बढ़ गया. Okay, इतना length बढ़ गया. Then this is called linear expansion, and this is related with linear thermal expansion. The coefficient of linear thermal expansion is denoted as alpha. Okay, then what is this? We know that LT equal to L0 into 1 plus alpha into theta. What are these? This is length at temperature T. बाद में जो लेंथ हो गया L0, पहले जो लेंथ था किसका, कंडक्टर का, थर्मल कंडक्टर का, हीट का कंडक्टर है, उसका कितना था लेंथ L0. ठीक है. उसके बाद उसको हीट अप किए तो उसका लेंथ बढ़ गया, उसको कह रहे हैं L2. ऐसे लिखिए L1 L2. दिस इज द सेकेंड लेंथ एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट लेंथ. फर्स्ट लेंथ कितना था इसका? L1 था. L1 इसका बढ़ के लेंथ कितना हो गया? L2. तो L2 जो बढ़ा हुआ लेंथ है विल बी 1 L1 into 1 plus alpha T. You have understood L1. L1 is the first length of the conductor. L2 is the expanded length or extended length. 1 alpha is what? Coefficient of thermal expansion, and theta is what? Temperature difference. Now let us expand it. L1 plus L1 into alpha into theta, then L2 minus L1 equal to L1 alpha theta. Therefore alpha equal to what? L2. Okay, L2 minus L1 by L1 into theta. Now get the dimension of alpha. ओके, L2 minus L1 इज व्हाट? डिफरेंस ऑफ लेंथ। एक लेंथ में से दूसरा लेंथ घटाएंगे, क्या आएगा? लेंथ आएगा। मीटर में से मीटर घटाएंगे, मीटर आएगा। देन L2 by L1 इज व्हाट? द डायमेंशन ऑफ लेंथ। ओके, L1 इज विल गिव यू डायमेंशन ऑफ लेंथ, है ना? लेंथ है ये भी लेंथ माइनस लेंथ है, तो इसका डायमेंशन क्या होगा? L। एंड थीटा इज व्हाट? टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस, दैट विल बी टेकन एज Kelvin। Okay, then this is what? L to the power 1 minus 1 and K to the power minus 1. Okay, then this is what? L to the power 0, K to the power minus 1 only. Then it will be written as what? M to the power 0, L to the power 0, P to the power 0 and K to the power minus 1. Okay, this is the dimensional formula of coefficient of thermal expansion. Okay, now come at coefficient of thermal conductivity. What is this thing? This is what? Suppose there is a conductor like this, okay, here area of this ball is A, thickness of this one is X। कितना है? एक कोई कंडक्टर है इस तरह का क्यूबॉइड टाइप का, जिसका एक बॉल का एरिया A हो गया। थिकनेस कितना है? विड्थ का ये थिकनेस ऑफ द कंडक्टर X है। और यहाँ आपका टेम्परेचर कितना है? θ1 है। जब इसको हीटिंग किया जाता है, एनर्जी दिया जाता है, तो इस जगह टेम्परेचर 2 हो जाता है। तो डिफरेंस इज θ1 minus 2, θ1 minus θ, एरिया X। देन दिस हीट गिवन टू दिस वन इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू हीट गिवन इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया। It is found that it is not, I am not saying this one, this is the formula and this is the relation. So this heat is found to be proportional, directly proportional of this area, this inversely proportional of this distance, proportional to here time, T stands for time, okay, and this is θ2 minus θ1 और θ1 minus θ टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस का और प्रोपोर्शनल टू टाइम। क्या देखते हैं कि हीट जो गिवन है इस चीज को, इस क्यूबॉइड ब्लॉक को, वो किस चीज का प्रोपोर्शनल होता है? एरिया का प्रोपोर्शनल, टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस का प्रोपोर्शनल। मतलब एरिया बढ़ेगा तो हीट ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा, टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस ज़्यादा रखना है तो हीट ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा। डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टाइम, बट दिस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द thickness. X stands for thickness. So when we combine this, H becomes proportional to A into T, T for time, A for area, or θ2 minus θ1 is temperature difference, and this is divided by thickness. X is thickness. Then H equal to K into T into A θ2 minus θ1 divided by X. This is called your coefficient of thermal conductivity, and we have to find out the dimensional formula of this. Okay, clear हो गया? अब देखिए क्या है कि अब हम निकाले coefficient of thermal conductivity। ओके, यहाँ आ जाइए। हमारा फाइनल रिलेशन क्या हो गया? H प्रोपोर्शनल टू H इक्वल टू K T A θ2 minus θ1 by X. Okay, then K is what? K is equal to H into X, H into X, H into X divided by T by A by θ। θ2 minus θ. Okay, देखिए k is equal to h into x divided by t divided by a divided by θ2 minus θ1. अब लिखे हम वैल्यू h is what? Heat energy, that is m l to the power 2 and l to the power 1. Okay, ये हो गया एनर्जी. x stands for distance. x क्या बताया? थिकनेस ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड, दैट इज l. थिकनेस मीन्स l, x मीन्स l. t stands for time, a for area, area is what? That is l square. Okay, l square into the power 1, and θ2 minus θ1, that is temperature difference, that is in Kelvin. This will be temperature difference will be in Kelvin to the power nothing, मतलब 1. अब आइए let us combine this thing, m to the power 1, okay, l to the power 1, 1, and here 1 plus 1, here 1 plus 1, l is here, here, here. So m1 l to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 and t to the power minus 2. Okay, ये हो गया. अब आइए नीचे, here l square t to the power 1 and this is k to the power 1. Okay, now combine it, m to the power 1, okay, no here l, कहीं m नहीं है इसको छोड़ के, m to the power 1, l कितना हो गया? 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, और ये वाला नीचे से ऊपर गया, ऊपर से नीचे गया विथ माइनस 2, ये हो गया. और आपका t to the power minus 2, और ये ऊपर गया तो t to the power minus 1, ये हो गया. अब ये k to the power 1 प्लस है, माइनस 1 हो गया. ओके, अब आइए यहाँ, हाँ ये लास्ट देखिए, दिस इज व्हाट? m to the power 1, l to the power 3 minus 2, that is 1, t to the power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, and k to the power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of thermal conductivity. Okay, m to the power 1, l to the power 1, t to the power minus 3, k to the power minus 1. Okay, okay, then I have explained you the dimensional formula, quantity, physical derived quantity related with generally heat or thermodynamics. In next class I am going to explain you the physical dimensional formula of the quantities related with current and magnetism. Okay.